plant that produces more United States Army planes than any other, busy turning them out. Buffalo, New York. Here are some stages in the manufacture of sky-fighting craft. The Curtiss plant has built 500 Army pursuit planes like this. The test flying field, and let's see how they'll navigate in the sky. The warplanes built by mass production. Each one gets an intensive tryout, is put through its aerial paces. A test flight in high style, a pursuit plane tried out and okay, as the expansion of national defense emphasizes air power.